everyone, Science 1 Standard 9 lesson number 1 Laws of Motion. This is 7th video of this lesson and we are learning acceleration. Let's have an example. The first one, a car is going at a constant speed in a straight line. Second one, dropping a pebble into a water. Third, catching the ball. Fourth, throwing a ball up. And fifth one, ball moving in a circle at constant speed. So, the first example, here the speed of a car is constant, and since the car is going in a straight line, the direction is also constant, and the velocity is speed with direction. So, the velocity of a car is constant. So, what is acceleration here? The acceleration is 0, or we can say there is no acceleration here. Why? Because the speed of a car is constant. Car is going in a straight line. The direction is also constant. As the speed is constant, direction is constant, velocity is also constant, and we know that acceleration is a change in velocity. So here there is no acceleration. Okay, the next example, when I drop a pebble, what is the initial speed? The initial speed is 0. As you can see from the flash, the pebble speed greater than 0 when it hits the water because of earth gravity. The speed of a pebble has increased. So this is an example of acceleration. So suppose this is a pebble, its initial speed is equal to 0. When I dropped it in the next point, at a next position, the speed of a pebble is greater than 0. And again in the next position, its speed is greater than 0. Means while coming down, the pebble speed has increased due to Earth's gravity. So there is a change in velocity. So it is an example of acceleration. Next example, when I throw the ball up, I gave it some speed. So initial speed is greater than 0. The earth gravity is constantly pulling the ball down, so the speed of a ball is decreasing. And at highest point, the speed of a ball will be 0. So ball going upward is a case of retardation. Retardation, see, say initially when I throw the ball, I gave it some speed. When I throw the ball, I gave it some speed. So its initial speed is greater than 0. Okay, its initial speed is greater than 0. When I gave some speed, the ball going up, but the earth's gravity is constantly pulling the ball down. So the speed of a ball is decreasing, and at highest point here the speed of a ball is 0. Okay, so speed of a ball is decreasing. So it is an example of retardation. When ball comes down, its speed is increasing due to Earth's gravity. So the ball is accelerating. So when coming down, its speed is increasing due to Earth's gravity. Okay, so ball is accelerating. So in summary, the ball going up is retardation and the ball coming down is acceleration. Next example. Next example. When you catching a ball, the ball has some speed before the catch. The initial speed is greater than 0, and after catch the final speed of a ball is 0. So it's a case of retardation since the speed of a ball is decreased. Okay. Next example. Here the speed of a ball is constant, but is the velocity constant? No. Velocity changing since the direction of a ball constantly changing. So remember, acceleration is a rate of a change of velocity. And just a minute, see here children. In this example, the speed of a ball is constant, but direction, you can see in a diagram, direction of a ball is continuously changing. You can see. So direction is changing means velocity is changing. So there is a acceleration. Okay. So we have looked at different example where there was a acceleration, retardation and no acceleration. In the next video, we'll see the formula of acceleration. Thank you.